In 2024, if you don't have a job and you've been watching my videos, I don't blame your village people. I blame you. By the end of this video today, you should have yourself a job. It doesn't matter if you're in tech, finance, customer service, virtual assistant, social media manager, everything ends today. You find yourself a job and you start making some money with skills you've learned online. If you haven't watched my video on how to learn a skill like virtual assistant, social media management, I'm going to put it up on the screen so you don't have any excuses when you start seeing job descriptions that suit you. First things first, let's get into these websites. The first website is Futa Jobs and Scholarships. Something unique about this website is that it does not only provide remote job opportunities, but you can also get updates on scholarships. So when I come onto this place, I'll click onto scholarship. Let's see the scholarship that is available. So you can see that there's 2024 Green Institute Fellowship Program for Global Students, Bridge Scholarship for Students. So there are a lot of scholarship opportunities. So if you're someone that is looking for a scholarship for you to study internationally, you can also apply here. The next thing on their tab is hair and skin care. So this covers like blog posts that they've made on their website about skincare, about hair. You can see different posts and different write-ups about hair and skincare. So I think this is something they just added to their website as well. The next website is Flex Job. So on this website, you can get remote jobs from different companies around the world. So these are testimonials from people. This person said, I loved using Flex Job. I found a great remote job. And there are just a lot of testimonials on using this platform. But something you should know about this platform is that before you'll be able to successfully apply for any job, you will have to pay a fee. So right now there is a tab, so I'm just going to try and search for a role in a niche that I love. So I'm just going to type it out and social media manager. Let's see if there are job opportunities. So location, you can just write in the location that you want, and I wrote United States of America, USA. So let's see job opportunities that are available in social media management in the USA. So you can see that those job opportunities will start popping up. There are different updates on social media management. There are different posts, different companies from various parts of the world. So you can just click on any one of them and then you'll be able to apply and get started with your remote job journey. So you can continue searching for different roles. This is just one that I searched. So you can search for another country, you can search for the UK, you can search for Canada, just different parts of the world, and then they will bring you job opportunities that are available in that region. So that is what this Flex Job does. That is how it operates and how you can find a remote job here. So here you can see that in the tab they said find remote job, hybrid and flexible jobs, how flexible job works, job categories, new job, research company. There are just different information that you will see on this space, but that is basically how you can use Flex Job to land you a role in your niche. Another website we'll be looking at is remoteok.com. So something about this website is that it mostly provides you job in tech and engineering and other science related courses and things like that. You can see here it has engineer, executive, senior, developer, finance, but mainly they provide jobs in tech and in science and things like that. You can see senior full stack developer, senior technical success manager, senior analyst manager. So basically most of their job opportunity are usually in tech. So bear that in mind when you're applying to this platform or using this website. The next website is emplo.com. So there it is clearly written that you can find tech jobs here. So if you finish that tech course, if you watched the video where I talked about you getting a tech degree or a tech certification, and you are done with that and you're looking for how you can, start or look for a job in tech, this platform is definitely for you, because it has different tech jobs that you can start using for you to be able to land roles in different tech niches that you must have studied. As you can see here, there are different job opportunities. You just need to come onto this place and select one of these jobs that suit what you've studied. The next one is wellfound.com. You can see that you can get about 100,000 jobs from this platform. You just need to do basically the same thing you did on other websites. You need to sign up and then just find you a suitable role that you know how to execute, and then you can be on your way to applying and landing yourself that remote job that you've been dreaming of. So this is one of the websites you should never ever miss out on. This next website is called justremote.co. So once you come onto this platform, you're seeing different job opportunities and you're seeing mostly tech jobs as well. So you can just search from these popular job categories that they've already created for employees and employers, for everybody to just get acquainted to what they are looking for. So instead of you searching for a long list of jobs, I just search customer service job, and right here it's saying fetching results. So you pick like a location where you want the job. So I'm just going to pick one of these countries, which is United States, and then I will wait for it to fetch me jobs that are under United States. So you really don't have to search for so long before you find something that is suitable for you. So we've come to the end of this video. I'm talking to you. You don't have an excuse. You don't have an excuse. I want to see comments like I found a job, comments like I took a skill, comments like I learned a skill, comments like I'm resuming soon. That is what I want to see in the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, share, so that your friends can also learn a thing or two. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.